Hello, this is Gogi from Gogi.in and you're watching the unboxing and review of XOLO Q1000 Opus. Here is the box pack. This is a quad-core handset. Let's quickly go through the specifications as mentioned on the box. This dual SIM handset is powered by 1.2 GHz quad-core Broadcom BCM23550 processor with video core graphic engine. This is the same hardware that powers the Samsung Galaxy S Duos 2. The 5-inch IPS screen is with FWVGA resolution. There is 5MP rear autofocus camera with BSI sensor, front VGA camera, Full HD video playback is supported. 3G is supported. This handset runs on Android 4.2 with 1GB RAM, 4GB internal storage. There is accelerometer, proximity and light sensors. OTG is supported as clearly mentioned on the box. GPS with GLONASS and the battery is 2000 mAh capacity. Let's start the unboxing process. Inside the box you'll find the handset, a free flip cover. Here is how the flip cover looks. It is of a good quality. The screen guard, travel charger, data cable, 2000 mAh battery, earphone, call button and the mic, and here is the closer view of the earplug. Then there is the quick start guide and the warranty legal information. Here is the Q1000 Opus handset that looks really good, white colored, curvy edges. This is the side view and the rear side is glossy white. The build quality and the finishing is very good, as you can see. 3 touch sensitive buttons. Here is the micro USB port and next to it is the mic. On the left side you'll find the volume rockers. On the right the power lock button. On the top 3.5mm audio jack. Front facing you have the in-call speaker sensor and the camera. On the rear side there is the speaker out vent, the XOLO embossed logo, 5MP rear autofocus camera with LED flash. Let's open up the battery compartment. This is the back cover, a little flexible. This is a dual SIM handset. You can see the dual SIM slot 1, SIM slot 2, and this is the micro SD card slot. You need to use normal SIM. The handset weight with battery is 155 grams. The thickness is 8.90 mm. Breadth is 72.84 mm. And the length is 143.18 mm. Before we proceed further, let's check out the handset with the flip cover. I have attached the flip cover and this is how the handset looks with it. You can use it like a stand. The flip cover is a little out and not exactly attached to the back cover. Let's power on. What you see is the XOLO logo, and here is the home screen. Touch is smooth and responsive. You can see the backlit buttons lighting up. Before I run the benchmarking app, I'm going to switch off this power management. The viewing angle is okay, it's not really good. I will now load an image. This will give you a better idea. You can clearly see the image going a little black from different angles. Wi-Fi hotspot, USB and Bluetooth tethering is supported. Of the 4GB storage, you get around 1.16 GB as internal storage, of which 1GB is available, and 1.68 GB as phone storage. Here is the internal storage, and of the 1GB RAM, you get around 611 MB free. OTG is supported as mentioned on the box, and as you can see, it is indeed supported. I'm going to remove the OTG cable, and you need to start the handset once you do this. System information: ARM Cortex A7. It's quad core, clocked at 1.2 GHz. It is the Broadcom chipset with the video core GPU. The handset runs on Android 4.2.2 and the screen resolution is 854 by 480 pixels. And here are the three sensors: accelerometer, light and proximity. Time is 16:07, battery at 47% and the temperature at 32 degrees. The quadrant benchmark score is 3748. AnTuTu score is 13,767. There was some issue with the Vilamo benchmarking app. The metal score, however, is 517. Nina Mark II, 49.8 FPS. And this handset supports 2-point multi-touch. And here is the camera, the rear 5MP autofocus with LED flash. There are some issues with this camera. You need to check out my website for more details. It is 5 megapixel as you can see. Here are the three modes: camera, video and panorama. There is a front camera of VGA resolution, and in video mode you can even take photos while recording. You can record max in 720p resolution. I have now started the video recording. This video was recorded in 720p resolution at 16 frames per second, which is too low. This handset can record 720p videos, but it can play Full HD videos in both hardware and software mode. I even tried the MKV format, which worked pretty well. In both hardware as well as software mode. After 32 minutes, the battery level dropped by 13% and the temperature rose to 41 degrees. The XOLO Q1000 Opus is powered by 1.2 GHz Broadcom quad-core processor. It sports a 5-inch FWVGA screen running Android 4.2 with 1GB RAM and 4GB internal storage. There is 5MP rear autofocus camera with LED flash and a front camera of VGA resolution. Battery is of 2000 mAh capacity. OTG is supported. You can even save apps on the external storage. GPS log is pretty fast, well under 5 seconds. There are some issues with the handset. It heats up a lot and the camera application crashes a lot of time. This handset is priced at under Rs 9,500. For full reviews, sample images and videos, visit my website gogi.in.